In this video, I am going to record how logic gates are work. First, I will explain the AND logic gate, and second, I will explain the OR gate, and then I will explain the SIX gate in sequence. First of all, you need to choose your component for the circuit, and as you can see, you can follow my cursor. Here you can see I choose the component from the Proteus library from here. Here you can go and you can choose the component and you can choose any component from here as you want. For example, I want to choose resistor. Yes. And here you can see there are different types of resistor, and here you can see I am just selecting the resistor, and here you can see, and here you choose all the component as you desire for your circuit. And in the screen here you can see there are six logic gate circuit. The first circuit is of AND gate circuit, and the second circuit is a OR gate circuit, and the third circuit is a NOT gate circuit, and the fourth circuit is a NAND gate circuit. And here you can see, you can follow my cursor, and the fifth circuit is a NOR gate circuit. The sixth circuit is the XOR gate circuit. And now I will explain the detail of these circuit. Now let's begin. And here you can see I connect the AND logic gate. The AND logic gate IC number is 7408, and here I connect the two resistor, and here I connect the two push button, and here I connect the source, and here I connect the LED, and in this way I connect the resistor, LED and push button with the all gates. And now I move towards the functionality of the circuit. You can follow my cursor. When you want to glow this LED using AND gate, then you should connect these two resistors for controlling the LED. And here I connect the two push button for logic control. Here you can control the logic of the push button. Here you can see, you can follow my cursor. I am just click on the push button, and push button is open and close. And here you can see it's circuit of OR gate, and it is approximately the same circuit as I explained in AND gate circuit, and the all circuit are approximately same. Their working principle are same, but their functionality are different because different types of gate are used. Now I run these circuit. Here you can see, you can follow my cursor. When I push the both button of AND gate, then the LED will glow. Here you can see, when I open this button, then LED will be off. According to AND gate functionality, we should on both logics for glowing the LED at output. And here you can see in this circuit, in OR gate circuit, if you give only one logic to the OR gate, then LED will glow at the output. And here you can see only one logic is given to the OR gate, and the LED is in glow mode. And here you can see, when I open the both button, then the LED will be off. And here you can see, when I push the one button, the LED will be off, and when I push the two button, then the LED will also be on. And now I move towards the NOT gate circuit. Here you can see, when I give logic 1 to the NOT gate, then the LED will be off, because the NOT gate is also known as the inverter. When I give 0 at the input of NOT gate, then the LED will be on. And now I move towards the NAND gate. When we give both input 0, then the output will be 1. When we give at least one input to the NAND gate, then the output will also be 1. When we give both input to the NAND gate, then the output will be 0. and according to this truth table I will verify in front of you this truth table using NAND gate circuit, and you just need to follow. You can follow my cursor. Here is a circuit of NAND gate circuit, and when I give both logic, when I give both input to the NAND gate, then the LED will be off. When I give at least one input to the NAND gate, then the NAND gate will be on. Here you can see when I give it, when I give only one input, here you can see it is the only one input, and this button is open and the LED is on. The LED is in on mode, and now I move towards the NOT gate circuit, and here you can see when we give both input 0 to the NOT gate, then the LED will glow, and when we give at least one input to the NOT gate, and also two input to the NOT gate, then the output will be 0. It means LED will didn't glow. And here you can see I will just verify this table, and you can follow my cursor, and here you can see it is the circuit of NOR gate. Here you can see when I give both input 0, here you can see both switches are open, and when both switches are open, then the LED will glow. Here you can see when I give one input to the NOR gate, then the LED will be off. Here you can see, and you can see LED is off. When I give 0 to the NOR gate, then the LED will be on. Here you can see when I give both input 0, then the LED will be on, and at the end I will explain in front of you the XOR gate circuit. When we give both input 0 to the XOR gate, then the output will be 0. And here you can see when we give 1 1, the output will be 0. It means when we give the same input to the XOR gate, then the output will be 0, and when we give the two different input to the XOR gate, then the output will be 1. And now I will verify the XOR gate circuit in front of you. Here you can see when I give different input to the XOR gate, then the LED will be on. Here you can see this button is closed and this button is open, and now I just open this button and the LED will be off, and I am just closing this button. It means the only one input to the XOR gate is closed, and the here you can see the down button is open, and when I press the down button, then the LED will be off. It means that when we give the same input to the XOR gate, then the LED is in off mode. And here my video is finished, and hopefully you learned from this video. Thanks for watching this video.